Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐸. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download and install a 100% save game on your Grand Theft Auto 5. Before we do that, I just want to inform you this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. If you find any value in this video, which you will, please smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. Also join our Discord, the link will be in the description. Okay, so this is the scenario. We have Grand Theft Auto. You've just installed it, you've already played it on a different console, and now you have to start all over again with the first missions. Or you're already playing and you just want the 100% completion. Well, this is the right video for you, because with the save game you don't have to do the start missions anymore or any other missions while already having a save game. So this will be a pretty quick and easy tutorial. As you can see, it is working with me, 100% completion. Our next step is actually to make this work to go out of the game and also close down the Rockstar launcher. And the next step would be to join our Discord. So the Discord you will need because of two things, and first one is the link will be in the Discord. The second one, if you have any support questions, you can ask it, not only about this or also other things. So join the link in the description. You'll get headed over our Discord right here, and as you can see, we have multiple resources sections, and also a development support page. I am doing this with 𝐑𝐞𝐜𝐨𝐬. It's Big Daddy Jones here. He's also a development person. He knows everything about 5M Grand Theft Auto. And yeah, so on the support page, if you have any questions, you can just create a new post and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so after you joined and you want the save game, go over to the Grand Theft Auto 5 mods and you'll see here will be the link of the save game. If you press on the link, this is the website you will be headed over. As you can see, this is a 100% save game, which we're gonna download right now. And just gonna let it download. If it didn't, then here you go. And we're gonna go to that downloaded folder. So when you hop over to the downloaded folder, we're gonna go ahead and right click on it and hit extract all. Hit as extract, let it load up. And then here you'll have a extracted folder with some checklists and readme files. And so besides the save game, you also have the achievements that you can load up. If you want also to do that, just read the readme file. We're going to focus on this video only on the save game itself. The achievement is just as easy. So we're going to double click here. We're going to go to 2.4, and here you have two files which you need to copy and place in a Grand Theft Auto save folder. So let's go over to that folder right now. Okay, the folder is on my left side. That's going to be in Documents, Rockstar Games, Grand Theft Auto 5 profiles, and this code right here, which will be a different code for you, that doesn't matter. And here you'll have the save games that are SGTA, save game for Grand Theft Auto, and then it will end with these numbers right here. 50,000 till 50,515 is for the save games. You have 15 slots. Okay, so this save game right here are the same as these two. That means it will overwrite those save games. You can choose to make it ending with 1 till 15. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to keep it like this and replace it, and it's that easy. So again, if you want to keep your save game that you already have, you can just leave the number and change this number to 1, ending to 1, 2, 3 till 15. So 50,001, 50,002. That is 50,000, right? Yes. So it's that easy, 50,001 till 15. Okay. We've copied the files. We can actually close this down and close this down. Don't forget Documents, Rockstar Games, Grand Theft Auto 5 profiles, and this right here. If you can't find this, just make a support ticket in my channel, in my Discord channel, so then we will help you further. Okay, next step is to start up Grand Theft Auto. I have the Rockstar launcher, but you may have the Steam or the Epic launcher. It will work with all three. So yeah, this is also a good moment for you to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button so you can start following my channel. Let's hit play. You may get a notification here that there's been an issue with the save games, which you can just click on right here. So we have the cloud save data, you have local files, conflict with the version in the cloud. Please choose the option below. So we're going to choose this one. We're going to hit review, or we can just skip all of them. Okay, confirm, and that's just going to correct the save data that we had, and the games that we're downloading, the save games, will also be saved in the cloud. So whenever you reinstall Grand Theft Auto on a fresh installed PC, you will keep those save games since it's saving in the cloud. So that's pretty cool. I have Grand Theft Auto minimized right now, but usually I have maximum on the screen just for this tutorial. So yeah, let's load it up. Again, if you have any other issues with Grand Theft Auto, like infinity loading screens, texture loss, you can check those guide videos on my channel. I have some of those. Hopefully they will help you also. If you want to install some cool ass plugins like LSPDFR, if you don't know what LSPDFR is, it's the plugin for Grand Theft Auto. It will change the game totally. You will become an officer instead of what is it now, and you will get cop missions. You can play with others, etc., etc. I have a whole series of installation guide on that also. So let's go ahead and let it load up. There you have it. Let's go outside and let's go to stats, 100% checklist. Okay, so that's all good, but I already had that. So let's just go to game and load. Then you will see two slots, both 100%. So yeah, one that I was already installed and one that I just installed. That's about it, folks. It is that easy. It's that easy. It can't get easier. So if you have any questions about this, please leave a comment in the section below the video. If you have any issues with it, open up a support ticket. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.